All right, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be drawing Bart Simpson from The Simpsons. I'm going to try to keep these steps as simple as possible so you guys can follow along. And this time, I want to see what you guys got. The first step I always do is I like to think of this as a soup can. Speaking of cans, we're going to add a tuna can right under that. So we got a soup can, tuna can, and we basically have Bart without the details. So we're going to divide his head about halfway, and his eye is going to sit about right here. And make another line just so we could see where the bottom of the eye is, because we're going to need that later. We're going to go ahead and add the other eye right behind it. Remember, you never want these eyes to just be like this. He's going to be looking that way. We want some depth. So we always have to make sure there's some overlapping in the eyes. So gives you a better sense of 3 dimensions. And it's really unappealing when they're, you know, when the space is right there. We usually don't want that. I should add these in there so people don't think other things. All right. Anyway, back to the drawing. So that line under the eye is going to be the top of the ear. Draw a nice little C there. Then flare out the neck a little bit. Remember, we don't like straight lines on necks. It's just not natural. Even though it's a cartoon. Do a nice smile here. Add in that bottom lip. It feeds right into that neck. And Bart has a brow, but he has a very small one. All right, so now for his spikes, we're gonna go down right here. We're gonna start with 1 on this end, 1 on that end. 1 exactly in the center, and then in the center of those, and then you just fill in gaps. That's how you get 9 even spikes. Just darken some of these lines. And of course, we're going to bring him to life by giving him some eyeballs. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any other characters. I would really appreciate a thumbs up if you guys like what you're seeing. This gives me the idea that you guys want to see more of these. And if not, leave a thumbs down.